Messenger application has a suggested friends to contact feature on Facebook. But sometimes display people you may not want to connect with or share information with will appear on that suggestion contacts. It could be someone you don't know well, or someone you preferred not to communicate with for personal or privacy reasons. So, in this video, you're gonna learn how to remove suggested on Messenger. So to do that, go to the settings of your application. Then in here, tap Apps and Permissions. Go to App Manager. Then in here, find Messenger. Go to Storage. And in here, clear data and clear cache. After you clear the data and the cache, all your suggested contacts will be disappear. You can maintain better control over your privacy and who you interact with on the platform. So that's how to remove suggested on Messenger. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching.